Hey all, welcome to the sixth video of our robotics learning journey. In this video, we will be showing you how to make a dice using BBrain and block-based programming. We will be using BBrain, display of the BBrain and the codeit app to program the brain. To start, go to codeit app. First, connect the BBrain to codeit. A brief explanation about connecting is there in the previous video. So if you guys didn't watch it, consider watching it. Now let's start programming. Go to Maker. So before programming, I will say an overall outlook of the project. So actually, what we are going to do is, as a dice, once we shake our BBrain, it should show a random number. So, as we all know, first go to the basic section, drag and drop forever do block. Next, we want to get the shake strength, right? But before that, we need to use the conditional statement if block. So, go to the logic section, drag and drop the if do block. So as I said in the previous video, if work pretty much the same as the if in the real life. So basically the condition we are giving here is true, the blocks in this section will run. Next, we want to compare the shake strength of the BBrain. For that, go to logic and drag and drop compare block and change the equal to simple to greater than equal simple. Shake strength is a number which represents the power of our shaking. For example, if we shake it hardly, the number will increase. And if we shake our BBrain lightly, the number also decreases. So in our case, I tried it and I think we can give it 40. So for that, go to number section and drag and drop this block and type it as 40. So here we are done with if statement. Now we told the program that if shake strength is greater than or equal to 40, basically we want to show a number, right? For that, go to display section and drag and drop show number block. So actually, if it should not be a specific number, it should be a random number. For that, go to number section. Here you can see a block random integer from 1 and 100. Drag and drop it here. So as a dice, we should show a random number between 1 and 6. So change 100 to 6. What this code actually means is once we shake our BBrain, it will show a random number between 1 and 6. So that's all about programming. Click run and let the program upload. Yeah. As you can see, while I'm shaking, it's the BBrain, it's showing a random number from 1 to 6 as a dice. 4, 6, 1, 2, and more. So well done, and you have just built a dice using BBrain and codeit. This is just one of the many projects you can build using the Bonic robotic kit. Stay tuned for more videos where we will be showcasing even more projects using the Bonic robotic kit. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Until that, take care and bye-bye.